is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2008 Lincoln MKZ. A lot of you said this is based on like the Ford Fusion. I think that's what you guys said last time, and I honestly don't know. Maybe you're right. I always thought that the Lincoln MKZ was a Ford Taurus, but I do believe you're right. I do. I think it really does look more like a Ford Fusion, not a Taurus. Now, obviously, this one had some rear end damage, and I was a little bit curious about it because it doesn't look bad. I don't see anything really wrong with it, and I'm interested in it, 100% interested in this. So there's an arrow right here. I don't know what happened here. All of this looks to be in good shape. Even the crash bar itself looks to be straight. I don't see anything back here that looks like it's been heavily damaged or really even damaged at all. There's a little bit of seam seal right there that's coming apart. Maybe that's from the accident. The trunk seems to be lined up very well. I don't see any buckles. I don't see anything wrong with this car. I don't. You guys comment below and tell me. Look at the lines. They look good. There's a little bit of cracking around the seam seal right there. But, like, okay. This is an old car, guys. It's an 08. It's got 100,000 miles on the odometer. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I might bid on this one, though. Oh, it smells good. It smells so good. It is so clean. Somebody obviously really took care of this car. Oh, I don't know what engine it has. Maybe it's the 3.5. Fired right up. Fired right up. This really is a very nice mid-size car, or maybe they call this a large. I call this a mid-size car. Cigarette lighters got no signs of use. Neither does the ashtray. Sunroof? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is decent. The only light on the dash, and it fired up without a jump. The only light on the dash is TPMS. I would bet money that the air conditioning works. We'll go ahead and turn that on before we start checking some other things out, like let's put it in gear. Backwards. Forwards, absolutely. You got memory seats as well, right there. Look at this beautiful wood grain. This car is gorgeous. It was serviced by Joe Cooper Ford. Last service date was 5/14 of 20, 100,000 miles. She never made it to that. 5 of 20? That's almost 2 years ago. So this, let me tell you right now, what that tells me, this is a car that belonged to a little old lady or little old man. It was driven to church on Sundays most likely, and to the grocery store, and you know, maybe a few other places here and there. But aside from that, this is a car that's been dealer serviced, probably a one owner, loved, cared for, and babied its entire life. Air conditioning is, I mean, it is freezing cold. Let's turn that off. That is freezing cold. I bet she's got a full set of, yep, Michelin tires. Michelin tires, look at that. Yep. She's got a few scratches and a few little dings here and there, but I mean, you know, again, it's an 08. This is the 3.5, as I said earlier. Clean coolant. Like, guys, a AAA battery. You see where we're going with this? You see where we're going? I'll bet the Carfax report on this car is absolutely phenomenal. Like I said, a few little dings here and there, but overall, nothing serious. We still have the tail lights in the back. Are they broken? No, they're not. Well, maybe this one is. Let's see. No, the tail lights aren't broken. The trunk opens and closes. Okay, there's a tad bit of damage right there. You see that? That is off a little bit. So, oh, right here. There's a ding right here. A dent. Okay, I see it. There is a tiny bit of damage there. I mean, ever so slight. Unbelievable. So all you got to do is find yourself a bumper the same color as this, plug in the lights, and drive it down the road. Look at brand new set of Michelin tires all the way around. Wow. She sounds good, guys. Heated and air-conditioned seats as well. Oh, man. What a nice little car. You get the key fob and everything with it as well. What do you guys think? I'm going to pull it up real quick. Oh, yeah. Don't pay any attention to that. What is this? What is this? Sitting out here at Copart. Oh, my goodness. That's, oh, yeah, that's Saturday's video. Yep, that's Saturday's video. Now, don't miss Saturday, 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. Yeah, we got a stretch limousine. I'm not going to tell you any more than that. Okay, guys, let's see what this one is going for right now. All right, guys, so here it is. It's sitting at $1,250. It is a pure sale. It is a salvage title. I had a feeling it would be. Is it worth $1,250 all day long, guys? All day long. To me, though, is it worth much more than that? Not really. I mean, you're talking $1,250 bid, and then it's $2,000 out the door. Sure, the car is probably worth, well, it says estimated retail value, $7 grand. For me, though, I don't sell to the public. Therefore, I can't sell it for $7 grand, and I can't sell it at retail value because it is a salvage title. So, you know, automatically, this car is probably worth more like $4,500 with a rebuilt title, and it's going to cost me $2,000 just to get it. And it'll never sell for that much at auction for me. So for me, unfortunately, we're gonna have to walk away from this one. Next on my list, we got an old Chevy truck, man. Old Chevy half-ton. She's been lowered and she actually looks kind of good. Now, I'll be honest with you, don't hate me for it, but I don't see the point in taking a pickup truck and lowering it. I don't understand why someone would do that. 230,000 miles. It's a 96 GMT 400. It does look good. I think it looks kind of sick like this. I really do. But you're taking a truck and you're defeating the whole purpose of a truck. You're not supposed to lower it. You're supposed to raise it so you can put more stuff in the back. That's where I'm coming from, guys. I know opinions vary, and yours probably will, but I think they look good, but like practicality, there is none. There is none. Now, yeah, the bed definitely came all the way into the cab. So there's damage into the cab as well. There's definitely damage to the back bumper. It's been tweaked pretty good, as well as the tailgate. Now, you could leave this like this. Honestly, this isn't going to hurt anything, I don't think. And you could probably get that back in to look a whole lot better. The interior actually looks, I'm surprised as to how good it looks with the miles. There's a lot of miles on this thing, guys. There's a lot of miles. And there's money. It comes with money. And there's more money. You're already winning. You're already winning. I am seriously more likely to bid on a vehicle that has change, any money in it at all, versus one that doesn't. Just because I know I'm getting some of my money back. All right, let's throw a key in it. I'm sure she's dead as a doornail, but let's find out. Uh-oh. No, she's not. She's got juice. Oh, wow. She fired right up. She did. Look at it. We got a lot of them little cigarettes there. Those rich people cigarettes. Is that what those are? Of course someone's going to call me right now. All right, anyway. 230,000 miles on the odometer. Great oil pressure. Battery's charging. Wonder if the AC works. No, I'm going to go with the no on that. Port window? Why, yes, it does. She's a rough one, guys. She is. She's rough. I'm assuming it's got a 5.3. Brakes feel good. Steering feels all right. Tires they're pretty decent. The front end's pretty well damaged though. Like it took it up the front and the back. Oh boy, I don't even know if I can get under there, guys. Hold on. Come on, can we get in there? I don't think I can. Shoot. No. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that hood is pretty damaged. Yeah, I hear the AC. It's working. That'll be slight exhaust leak. Not bad though, guys. Not bad at all. It is a 5.7. I figured she would be. Just can't be one of these old 350s. You really can't. Let's put it in gear and see what she does. Here we go. Backwards. Forwards. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you got, the AC is cold. You have cold air conditioning. All right. Power everything. Lowered. She doesn't sound bad at all, guys. I'm serious. This is decent. I'm surprised. I didn't expect it to run this well. I didn't. I was like, oh, this thing's gonna be one of those. Some teenager had it, and no, you know, it's not that bad. It definitely needs some work. Obviously, the tailgate, the rear bumper, these lights are all falling out. The hood needs to be replaced. The grill is, you know, destroyed as well. You could put a little bit of work into this. You could make this into a decent truck. Unfortunately for me, I'm not looking for one of these. I don't need one. I don't want one. So we're going to move on to the last one on the list. Last on my list, a non-runner with no odometer, 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. You know me, guys. If it says it doesn't run, I got to come out here and check for myself. And if I sound like I'm talking real fast, I'm in a real big hurry, that's because they are closing and I got to get out of here. She's got bad tires all the way around. That's the first thing you want to see when you're looking at a car, right? Is bad tires. The paint looks like it's probably all right. Maybe. It's hard to tell with all the dust on it. She's got some dings and, well, the interior smells all right. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Yeah, okay, she's a little tore up, so she's got some miles on her. But it's not awful. It's not the worst I've ever seen. It's got a key too. Hey, that's a positive, man. She's got a key. That is a door nail. Look, money right there. Money. We got money. Told y'all. She's missing the glove box though. Oh, this door has been, somebody's been up in there, haven't they? Okay. All right, well, this should have a 5.7 under the hood, right? Oh, nope, I'm wrong. It's a 4.0. I was hoping this had the Hemi power, baby. Someone put a battery up in this thing, though. That's a pretty big battery. The 4.0s, man. People love the 4.0. Personally, I don't like the 4.0. These things are notoriously garbage, in my opinion. They're always popping head gaskets. Look. There's sealant in the cooling system. Every time, man, every time. This cooling system's full of gunk. Check the oil. It's always full of water. Well, okay, I'll be honest with you. It's overfilled, but it's not totally milkshake. But I'm telling you, I can see milkshake in it. I do. I see milkshake in it. But it is overfilled. There is no coolant. And there's stop leaks. So let's grab a booster pack and see what she doesn't do. Well, the lights are on. I heard the fuel pump. I heard some relays. So obviously she's ready to go. She's gonna fire right up, right? Oh. It did fire right up. Oh, what? Wait a minute. $287,000 miles, and it's a pedal car. E-brake works? No way. No way. I don't believe this. It runs great. It runs great. It's not misfiring. Huh. It goes forwards and backwards. Power steering feels good. Brakes feel good. Obviously, it's got a very flat tire here, and it's sitting in a rut. So she's not very happy about that. Really? I had serious doubts about this thing. I really did. Is the alternator charging? Yes, it is. 14 volts. No way. I'm blown away. There is a little bit of coolant in there. I think I judged this one a little too quickly. I do. Maybe I'm wrong though. I don't know. I don't know. Wow. She sounds pretty good, guys. All right, well, I'm gonna take the booster pack off. There's no reason for it to be under here anymore. It's not smoking. It's not rattling. Wait, as soon as I said that, it started making noise. I'm really surprised. There is some moisture dripping out of the exhaust. Quite a bit, actually. Oh, this rear handle is broken, so I guess we can't get back there. This window doesn't work. That window doesn't work. The locks don't work. Okay, so that's why somebody had been in there, because none of this works. AC works. AC is ice cold. I'm shocked. Wait, I smell oil. I smell oil strong. Oh, wow. I smell it, but I don't see any smoke. I'm gonna shut it off. Now let's leave it running for one more minute. Dang it. I'm not interested in this. I don't want this, but now I kind of do. Oh yeah, there's smoke. Valve cover gasket's leaking everywhere. Yeah, it's just a valve cover gasket. I mean, listen to her purr though. And it's got cold air conditioning. Are you serious? I don't know, guys. You tell me. This is I'm pretty sure this is a two-wheel drive, not a four-wheel drive. I know it's a Jeep. It should be four-wheel drive, right? But I don't see any options for 4x4 on this anywhere. So I'm pretty sure she's two-wheel. Pretty sure everything that's wrong over there is going to be found somewhere in this wiring harness that somebody has hacked together right there. So that should be a relatively easy fix. Valve cover gasket's an easy fix as well. This isn't too bad. Some serious miles, and Precision Auto Tune miles 290,079, January of 22 is due for an oil change. So, and it never made it. It's still at 287, so it never made it. It's like after the oil change, it didn't get driven really at all. Oil pressure is good, voltage is good. There's no warning lights on yet. Coolant temp is really good. I mean, she's smooth, guys. I'm gonna shut it off. Let's see if it fires back up. Nope, that is a door nail. You even got yourself a aftermarket CD player with Bluetooth and USB and SD card and aux input and all of that good stuff. Oh man, that valve cover gasket must be leaking real bad. That smells absolutely awful. Okay, well there you go, guys. We found one. The last one of the video is a non-runner. It actually runs great. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get out of here. I wanna thank each and every one of you for watching my video. And if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button and let me know that you liked the video. Drop your comments down below. And hey, subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. I would truly appreciate it. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.